Got rusty tools lying around? Don't toss them yet. Give them a beer bath. Just dip the rusty tool in beer and let it sit for a few hours. The acids in beer help loosen surface rust. Who knew your wrench liked a cold one too? Don't toss those empty yogurt cups. They're perfect mini organizers. Stick them together and turn them into smart storage for nails, screws, and tiny tools. Cheap, tidy, and totally genius. A clean workbench starts with smart recycling. Don't toss that empty plastic container. Turn it into a DIY tool organizer. Cut a few slits in the lid, poke your screwdrivers and pliers through, and boom. Clutter-free toolbox for zero cost. Tired of struggling with stuck paint and lids? Here's a smart fix. Place a piece of plastic or rubber sheet over the opening before sealing it. It keeps the lid from sticking and makes reopening a breeze. If you've got copper pipes running through unheated spaces, they're at risk of freezing when temperatures drop. First, measuring the length of exposed pipe and cutting foam insulation to size. This foam sleeve is split down the middle, so it easily wraps around the pipe. Sealing it with duct tape to make sure it stays snug and no cold air gets in. In super cold areas, add heat tape underneath before insulating. This little job takes just minutes, but can save you from a burst pipe and a costly repair. Wall plug too small for that oversized hole? Don't panic. Just insert a smaller plug into the larger plug. It fills the gap, grips tighter, and holds like a charm. Wondering what else you can do with the door key? Here is a smart way to turn it into a tool. There you go.